Installing a system I/O board or processor board. If you are replacing the system I/O board, install the firmware and ROT security module and micro SD card that were removed from the old system I/O board onto the new system I/O board. To install the system I/O board on the processor board, align the system I/O board with the connector on the processor board and use both hands to slightly insert the system I/O board into the connector. Fasten the screws to secure the system I/O board. Hold the system board assembly lifting handles and slide the system board to the rear of the server until it snaps into position. Reconnect all the cables to the system board assembly. Install the following components in the system. Install the rear top cover. Install the front top cover.